Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to set a low moderation level on your Discord server. Whether you're managing a small community or just getting started with your own server, adjusting moderation settings is an easy and effective way to keep your chat friendly without being too strict. Let's go through it step by step. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the server you want to manage. Once the app is open, go ahead and tap on your server's name at the top of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu showing a few server options. From the list, select Settings. This section is where you control everything about your server, from roles and permissions to security and automation. It's the command center for all your customization. Next, scroll down until you see the moderation option. Tap on it to open your moderation settings. Here you'll notice a few levels of verification and filtering options that help manage who can join and what kind of content appears in your server. Now it's time to choose the moderation level you want. Select Low. This setting keeps your server open and welcoming while still adding a light layer of protection. It only requires users to have a verified email before they can engage in the chat. It's perfect if you want to avoid spam accounts but still keep things easy for new members to join. After selecting Low, make sure to save your changes. Once saved, your new moderation setting will take effect immediately.